This is the UCC25 Can Crusher. Other models available are the UCC20 and the UCC30. All three models operate in the same way, so this video we're going to take you through how to safely operate and set up the machine. Once you've got the UCC25 in position, we recommend that you bolt the machine to the floor. The machine is slightly top heavy, so it's better that it's secure down to the floor in case there's any wobbling or uneven surfaces the machine is being mounted on. The UCC20, the smaller of the three can crushers, can be bolted to a bench, but please make sure this is a strong and reinforced bench. The UCC30 will be fixed to the floor just the same way as the UCC25. On the right hand side of the machine, when you're facing away from it, is the air connection for the supply to the ram. We connect the air supply on the side of the machine and we set that to 90 to 100 psi maximum. We also recommend that you fit to the machine a dirt and water trap, a filter regulator, if there's not one already in line on your air supply. This helps protect the cylinder and the valves on the side of the machine from any water ingress or any dirt in the airline. So once we've positioned the machine, bolted it to the floor and connected the air supply, we can simply turn the air supply on to the machine. By moving the valve on the side of the machine from the vertical position into the horizontal position, we switch the machine on. Once the air supply is connected, the ram will be removed all the way up to the top of the machine, allowing you to open the chamber ready for crushing. So when we're ready and set up to prepare the cans before we crush them inside the machine, we need to remove the lids. By removing the lids, we allow the air to escape inside the paint can or empty drum so that we get the most effective compaction when we crush them through the machine. You can see here with this 25 litre drum, the lid was removed before it was crushed to get the most effective compaction. Once we've removed the lids, we can simply open the door and place the can inside. We'll then close the door to activate the machine to crush the drum. We're going to close the door and activate the ram. Once we close the door, we need to put the safety catches on. So we close this, attach the safety catches, so as we've closed the door, the ram will be activated, the safety catch is on the side, and it will move down the machine. You'll hear the can getting crushed, and once it goes silent, it's gone all the length of the chamber, and it's ready to open the door and remove the can. So once we open the door will lock on its safety arm, preventing anybody getting their fingers trapped. As the ram returns back up to the top of the machine, you'll hear it go silent. It will reach the top, pivot the safety lock and allow the door to be released. We can then remove the crushed paint can from inside and dispose of it easily. The UCC25 Can Crusher, simple and easy to operate. The UCC20 and UCC30 operate in exactly the same way. Will help crush and dispose of your empty waste paint cans and drums. If you'd like any more information, you can visit our website www.unic.co.uk or email us sales@unic.co.uk or info@unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.